What's up, guys? Today we're going to be working on the 66 GTO, and we're going to be replacing the ignition coil. We tried to give it a little crank and there was no spark getting to the engine, so that's why we're going to be replacing the ignition coil. I am going to throw in some clips on what it sounded like when we tried to crank it, and you'll see that there's no spark getting to the engine. Ready?
Yeah. Nothing.
So the first thing we're going to do is remove this control wire, and then we're going to disconnect our positive and negative terminals.